What's up, guys? This is Angela Bay with Ask Profe Angela, where you get to be the star of the show. And for those of you who don't know, I have been an English teacher for the past 20 years, and I am so excited to be here to be able to help everyone with their English language learning goals. Each week, you can ask me a question about anything you want on the English language, like what is a conjunction and how in the world do you say onomatopoeia? It took me a long time to get that one. So, without further ado, let's get started.
Question of the week. Profe Angela. Is it correct that there is a special order to write adjectives in English? Thank you, Sydney, Barranquilla, Colombia. Well, Sydney, in many languages, adjectives signifying attributes usually occur in a specific order. Generally, the adjective order in English is quantity or number, quality or option, size, age, shape, color, proper adjective, purpose or qualifier. For example, I love that beautiful old big green antique car that is always parked at the end of the street. Quality is beautiful. Age is old. Size is big. Color is green. Proper adjective, antique. Or, these are interesting pink plastic ornaments. Opinion, interesting. Color, pink. Material, plastic. When there are two or more adjectives that are from the same group, the word and is placed between the two adjectives. For example, the library has old and new books. When there are three or more adjectives from the same adjective group, you must place a comma between each of the coordinate adjectives. For example, we live in a big green, white, and red house at the end of the street. Now, an important fact. A comma cannot be placed between an adjective and the noun. For example, my friend lost a red, black, and white watch.
Now for this week's sentence challenge.
Which sentence uses the correct order of adjectives? A. We took a ride on a blue, old Chinese bus. B. We took a ride on a Chinese, old, blue bus. Or C. We took a ride on an old, blue Chinese bus. And if you need help, review the tips in this video and practice.
Thank you, Cindy, for this week's awesome question about the order of adjectives. If you need further assistance, just type your question in the comment box below and I will answer with a quick reply or another video. And good luck, you guys, on this week's sentence challenge. Remember, if you are my English language warriors, hit that like button. And if you like what you saw, hit the subscribe button. and become a part of the APA family. Alright guys, that's it for this week on Ask Profe Angela, where you get to be the stars of your English language learning experience. I hope you guys have a great rest of your weekend, and I'll see you next time. See you!